Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Christmas is around the corner and I am so excited to partner with Cricut, who is sponsoring today's video, and show you guys how to put together 10 gift ideas using the Cricut drawing machine and dollar store supplies. Each of these items are so easy and perfect to make. With all of that said, let's get started.
Watch out for reindeers are falling down. We stay up waiting for Santa tonight. He climbs down the chimney at the speed of light.
First, I opened up Cricut Design Space. That's Cricut's free software, and I'm going to be searching for the image that says "Eat, Drink, and Be Merry." And I found this image, and I really loved it since it has such a cute font.
As they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, a Merry Christmas Day.
Now I'm going to click Make It. Since I am using smart vinyl, I'm going to click Without Matte.
Snowflakes as they're falling down and follow.
I'm going to use this black smart vinyl, and I found this mug at the Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to cut out the image "Eat, Drink, and Be Merry," and once it was done, I'm just going to weed out any excess of the vinyl. I'm going to be using some transfer paper to put on top just like this. I'll be using this tool from Cricut to make sure the tape is attached to the vinyl. And finally, I'm going to apply the transfer tape onto the mug.
To wish us all a Merry Christmas Day.
I found all of these goodies at the dollar store, and I'm going to be putting them all together to make a cute mug gift set.
A Merry Christmas Day.
I found these clear gift bags on Amazon. I will be linking all of the projects and these clear bags down in the description box.
Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before. As we walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Yeah. A Merry Christmas Day. Dancing around the Christmas tree, wishing all a Merry Christmas. Dancing around the.
For the second project, I am going to be typing "The weather outside is frightful, but the wine is so delightful," since I am going to be doing a wine gift bag.
Christmas Day.
I'm using this white glitter smart iron-on vinyl, and I found this wine bottle bag at the Dollar Tree.
Merry Christmas, baby.
Once my Cricut drawing machine was done cutting the image, I just removed all the excess vinyl. I'm using my Easy Press, and I just set it to the proper settings.
Making sure you've been behaving okay. Merry Christmas, honey. Yeah. The snowman's dusting off his hat, putting on the show for everybody, to give them a smile that lasts another year. There's something that happens when sleigh bells are ringing, when December is, when the children are singing. Christmas, baby.
For the third gift idea, I am doing a personalized wood sign, and I just typed in The Flores established 1992. And I'm going to be using this really nice beige color vinyl and also this wood blank that I got from the Dollar Tree and this brown truffle chalk paint. And I'm just going to be painting the wood, and I let it dry for at least 10 minutes, and I just sanded it down so it could look like it was actually stained instead of painted.
It's something that happens when something that happens when December ends, when December ends, yeah. Oh, it's Merry Christmas, baby. Merry Christmas, baby. It's Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas. It's Merry Christmas, baby. Yeah. Merry Christmas, baby.
It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night beneath the mistletoe.
For the fourth gift idea, I am doing a personalized wooden wreath, and I just typed in the Lopez family. I'm going to be using this black chalk paint to paint the wood, and I let it dry for at least 10 minutes. Now I'm just removing any excess vinyl and applying the transfer tape. Once I was done doing that, I'm going to be applying the tape onto the wooden wreath. To give it some detail, I'm going to be adding a wired bow as well as some lamb ears onto the wooden wreath. For the fifth gift idea, I found this really nice image that says it's coffee and Christmas movies kind of day, and I'm going to be using this gold vinyl, and I found this really nice travel mug at the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to be placing the vinyl onto the center of the mug.
When it's Christmas time, I light up a fire, gather friends and family, have a bite to eat and some Christmas sweets, chilling out and watch TV, wrapping up the gifts with my fingertips, making up some fancy rhymes. So fancy.
And now I'm going to be putting it together with these festive candies that I got as well, and just make a cute little gift set.
On my door, treat the old and the young. I hear sleigh bells in the snow, holding on to a bunch of reindeer. He'll be making his rounds, working harder for every year. When the Christmas spirit's all over town. I'm not one of them, the three wisest men, but I got an open heart. If you feel alone, just stop by my home. I don't care about who you are. If you make the trip, have a little sip, talking about the good old times, how they did it then, back in Bethlehem, when the legend came.
And here I did various small projects that, like me, you can put together to give as a cute basket, or you can hand out as individual gifts. For the sixth gift idea, I'm going to do a personalized heart-shaped jewelry box, and I'm just going to be putting the name on the corner of the jewelry box. Very simple yet very nice gift. For the seventh gift idea, I'm going to customize a candle that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I just typed in "Let's Stay Home" in the Cricut Design Space, and I ended up finding this image that I thought was very nice and that would go perfect on the candle.
Making up some fancy rhymes, so fancy. Just got something fun for my special one, but my love don't cost a dime. Waiting for Santa to come, he'll be knocking on my door. Treat the old and the young. I hear sleigh bells in the snow, holding on to a bunch of.
And now I'm just going to remove all the excess vinyl and apply the transfer tape so I could apply onto the candle.
When the Christmas spirit's all over town.
For the eighth gift idea, I'm going to be using "I'm Dreaming of a Wine Christmas," since I'm going to customize a wine glass, and I'm just going to remove all the excess vinyl and apply the transfer tape so I can put it on the center of the wine glass.
It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night underneath the mistletoe.
I'm going to be using this wooden box so I could be able to put all of the gift ideas together so I can make a cute little gift basket.
It's Christmas, the first for you and me. The snow is falling down and the storm is on its way. But as long as you're around, everything will be okay. 'Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you
For the ninth gift idea, I'm going to do a customized clipboard for a teacher, and I just searched up teacher in the images and I found this one that says "I'm not a regular teacher, I am a cool teacher," and I thought it would go perfect for the clipboard.
Another year went by, but the difference this time is that ever since July, I've been happier than I have ever been. It's safe to say that my love for you is true. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself in a cabin out in nowhere. Just us and
I wanted to add a notebook to the clipboard, so I decided to customize it as well, and I found this image that says teacher vibes, and I just applied it to the notebook.
you and me.
And I'm just going to be placing them together so I can make a gift set, and I'm going to be using this red wired ribbon so it can look festive. This brings us to the end of this video. I hope y'all enjoyed it and got great ideas. If you did, please let me know in the comments down below and tell me which one was your favorite. I would love to know. Other than that, I hope y'all have a great day, stay safe, and God bless.